Can bananas help you lose weight? Let's face it, we've all been there. You're staring down the fridge at 3 p.m., hunger pangs gnawing, and the only thing that seems appealing is that giant tub of cookie dough. But what if there was a healthy, readily available option that could curb those cravings and maybe even help with weight loss? Make use of the humble banana. This sunshine-colored fruit is a staple in many kitchens. It's portable, easy to peel, and doesn't require any fancy preparation. But can this breakfast favorite truly be a game-changer in our weight loss quests? In this video, I will explain in details why banana helps in weight loss, the caution you must take, and some delicious ideas of how to enjoy them. Let us go into the details of banana and how it helps in weight loss. Number 1. Banana is high in fiber. Imagine this: you consume a banana, feeling full and satisfied, but the magic doesn't stop there. Thanks to its fiber content around 3 grams in a medium banana, that feeling of fullness sticks around for a while. Fiber acts like a tiny broom in your gut, slowing down digestion and keeping you feeling satisfied for longer. This can be a lifesaver when those afternoon snack attacks hit, helping you resist the urge to reach for sugary treats. Before we move to the number 2, if you are new to this channel, do well and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell button. It doesn't cost any money. Please do this to support us. Thanks as you do so. Number 2. Banana contains resistant starch. Here's where things get interesting. Unripe bananas, with their greenish hue, contain a special type of starch called resistant starch. Unlike regular starch, this one doesn't get broken down completely in your digestive system. Instead, it acts more like fiber, further promoting that feeling of fullness and potentially even aiding in blood sugar control. So next time you grab a banana, consider going for one that's not quite ready to turn sunshine yellow. It might have an extra weight loss punch. Number 3. Banana is high in potassium. We all know that feeling. That uncomfortable puffiness that makes you feel heavier than you actually are. Bloating can be a major shame, not only for our confidence, but also for our motivation to keep healthy. But bananas come to the rescue again, packed with potassium, a mineral essential for regulating fluids in your body. Bananas can help keep that bloat at bay. By ensuring proper fluid balance, they ensure you feel lighter and more comfortable throughout the day. Number 4. Banana contains natural sugar. Okay, bananas aren't exactly spicy, but they do contain natural sugars. This might raise a red flag for some Weight Watchers. However, the good news is that these are natural sugars, not the refined kind found in candy and sugary drinks. Additionally, bananas have a low to medium glycemic index (G), meaning they don't cause blood sugar spikes like other sugary options. Stable blood sugar levels are key for regulating appetite and preventing cravings, which can be a major plus for weight management. But remember, you must be cautious when using bananas for weight loss. By now, you might be picturing yourself living off a banana-only diet and magically shedding kilos. While bananas offer some fantastic benefits for weight loss, it's important to remember they're not a magic bullet. Now, let's check some of the reasons why you need to be cautious when using banana for weight loss. First reason is on the calories count. A medium banana has around 105 calories. While not a massive amount, calories do add up. Be mindful of portion sizes and don't go overboard on the banana bonanza. Second reason is on the sugar content. Although natural, bananas still contain sugar. This is something to consider, especially if you have specific dietary restrictions. Third reason is that banana is not a meal replacement. Don't ditch the rest of your healthy food pyramid for a banana kingdom. Bananas are a great snack, but a balanced diet that includes protein, healthy fats, and other fruits and veggies is crucial for long-term weight management. So, how can you integrate the power of the banana into your weight loss journey? Here are some delicious ideas. First idea, use them as a pre-snack. Feeling peckish before lunch? Grab a banana with some nut butter for a satisfying and filling combo that will keep you going until your next meal. Second idea, use them as a post-workout refuel. After a sweaty workout, your body craves natural sugars and electrolytes to replenish energy stores. A banana is the perfect post-workout snack to get you back on track. Third idea, use them as a breakfast, short on time. Pair a banana with some Greek yogurt and granola for a quick and nutritious breakfast that keeps you feeling full and energized. Fourth idea, use them as a frozen fun. Feeling the heat? Freeze bananas for a healthy and refreshing treat that can curb sweet cravings without sabotaging your weight loss goals. Remember, weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Bananas can be a helpful tool, but focus on creating a sustainable and balanced diet that works for you in the long run. Consider consulting a registered dietitian. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See you in our next video.